4 easy ways to make your tile flooring sparkle. Dear friends, if your tile floors look dull or dirty, don't worry. In this video, we'll share 4 easy ways to make your tile flooring sparkle without spending too much time or money. These tips are simple, effective, and perfect for everyday use. First, sweep or vacuum daily. Dust and mud build up quickly on tile floors. If you skip this step, the fine particles start scratching the surface and your floor loses its shine. A quick sweep every day keeps tiles fresh for longer. Second, use warm water for mopping. Instead of strong chemicals, use a mild solution like warm water with a few drops of dish soap. It removes stains gently and keeps the tiles clean without damaging their shine. Third, deep clean your grout lines. Even when tiles look clean, dirty grout makes the floor look old. Use a soft brush with baking soda and water to scrub away stains. This step instantly brightens your flooring. Finally, apply a tile-safe shine enhancer. A light coat of floor polish or a tile-friendly sealant adds a glossy finish and protects the tiles from scratches. Try these methods and enjoy sparkling floors every day. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.